Pro. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through IOPlanner's scheduling assistant, designed to streamline your booking process and help you connect with clients more efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1, head to your Calendar tab, then Scheduling tab. Step 2, click Create New. You can then choose an event type, either a one-to-one booking or a group booking. For this video, we're going to create a one-to-one booking. Now you're going to want to create an event title. But pro tip, keep this simple because we'll be coming back to this. You'll then input your event duration, your event meeting or location. This can be none, custom, Teams, or Google if your calendar is integrated with Google. You will also select the calendar where you want to add your event bookings to. Once you've completed the steps on this page, you'll want to click Create. You will then be brought to your event information page, but I would come back to this later. So let's go to Availability. Once you're on your Availability tab, you'll select the calendar where you want to add your event bookings. You will connect the calendars to use for checking for your availability, and you'll set your default open hours. If you're planning on adding someone from your team to your call, you'll want to make sure that you do subscribe to their calendar in your calendar provider and select their calendar here. The next tab is the Participants tab. If you're not adding a participant, you can ignore this tab. If you are, you'll want to add a participant here, and you can choose to set their open hours or not. The next tab is your Booking Options tab. You can choose if you display a default confirmation page or you redirect to a custom URL. You can then set your buffer time, event limits, time slot intervals, and additional settings. Your next tab is your booking form, and these are the questions that you're going to ask your client when they're booking their call with you. To add these questions, you'll head to Add New Field and select which type of question you would like to add to your booking form. You can choose to make them required or not. Under your Communications tab, you can set up automatic confirmation emails, a booking confirmation email, and completely customize it with an email title and additional info, as well as reminders for your event. On the Page Styles tab, you can set your scheduling page name. So now that we have our form set up, I want you to go back to your event info page. Under Event Description, you can now come and auto-populate additional fields. These fields are the questions that we have input on our booking form, and these will now show in your event description on your calendar and your email. You can do the same thing in your event title by inserting a $sign and selecting which you would like to include. Now that you have your event set up, let's look at what your client would see when they were going to book a call with you. Your client will select a date that's good for them, a time that's good for them, and then hit Next. They will then be able to fill out all pertinent information that you have required for your form. Once they fill in all of the required questions, they can then click Book Now. Then they're brought to their confirmation page. This confirmation will go to the pro, and it will also go to the client. You'll notice that they have the option to cancel their booking or reschedule from here as well. I personally use Outlook, but this is the email that the client would receive. Confirmed consultation call with your event planner with all included information. They then have the option to cancel or reschedule directly from this email, as well as add it to their calendar. This is what the email confirmation looks like for the pro. You'll notice all of the information is here, as well as the option to cancel or reschedule. Make sure that you're saving changes as you move along through creating your form, and if you'd like to see what your scheduling assistant event is going to look like, you can always click in this box right here to get a preview. By hitting the back button, you are taken back to all of your scheduling pages where you can see all of the ones that you've created or create new. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.